A very good morning to all of you. This is the 10th video from the unit motion. In the last video, I was discussing about the circular motion, uniform circular motion, and in that we come across to know how to find the speed using the formula speed is equal to 2 pi r by t. So in this video, I am going to discuss few important numerical problems. Here is the first one. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? Here total time is equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds, which is equal to 140 seconds. Now in 40 seconds, the number of rounds completed is equal to 1. Therefore, in 140 seconds, the number of rounds completed is equal to 140 divided by 40, which gives us 3.5. In the first part of the numerical, we are supposed to calculate the distance covered. So, for the calculation of the distance in 3.5 rounds, we have the diameter of the circular track is given to be 200 meter. So the radius of the circular track will be half of it, which is 100 meter. Now distance covered in one round is equal to circumference of the circular track, which is given by the formula 2 pi r. So putting the values, we have 2 into 22 by 7 into 100 meters, as pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is the approx value of pi. After calculation, we have 628.57 meter. Therefore, distance covered in 3.5 rounds is equal to 628.57 into 3.5, which gives 2200 meter. Second part of the numerical is to calculate the displacement. The athlete makes 3.5 rounds, that is 3.5 rounds of the circular track. Now if the athlete starts from point A, see in the figure, then after 3 complete rounds he will reach at the point A again, and when the athlete again start from point A and makes the remaining half round, he will reach point B, which is diametrically opposite to point A. So the displacement of the athlete will be equal to the diameter of the circular track, which is 200 meter. Let us consider second numerical, and in this, an artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 km. Calculate its speed if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the earth. Here in this, radius r is given equal to 42,250 kilometers. Length of orbit is equal to circumference of the orbit, which we can calculate using the formula 2 pi r. So putting the value, we have 2 into 22 by 7 into 42,250 kilometer, which gives after calculation 2,65,571.43 kilometer. Please check this after your own calculation. Time here is 24 hours. So using the formula speed is equal to distance by time, we can write length of orbit by time taken, that is equal to 2 pi r by t. So we have 2,65,571.43 kilometer divided by 24 hours, which gives us 11,065.48 kilometer per hour. I have calculated here it in kilometer per second, which is 3.07 kilometer per second. You can also calculate it in meter per second. Moving towards the third numerical. And here in this, an athlete runs along a circular track of radius 100 meter. Calculate the displacement of the athlete and the distance traveled by him when he covers 3/4 of the track. Observe the figure here. Let athlete starts running from point A on the circular track of radius r is equal to 100 meter, which is given in anti-clockwise direction. I am considering here the motion of the athlete in anti-clockwise direction. After completing 3/4 of the track, his position is at point B as it is shown here in the figure. So displacement of the athlete is equal to the length AB, that is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position. So now focus in triangle AOB. Using Pythagoras theorem in this, we can write AB is equal to root under OA square plus OB square, which can be written as root under R square plus R square, since OA is equal to OB is equal to R, radius of the circular track, which gives root 2 into R. As we know, the value of root 2 is 1.414. So putting that, we have 1.414 into 100 meter, which gives 141.4 meter. This is the displacement of the athlete, that is length AB. Now distance traveled by the athlete, it is equal to 3/4 into length of the circular track. So we have 3/4 into 2 pi r, that is the circumference of the circular track, which gives equal to 3/2 into pi r after calculation. Putting the values, 3/2 into 3.14. 3.14 we have used for the value of pi. This is also approx value, into 100 meter. So after calculation, I have 942 divided by 2 meter, which gives 471 meter. Here the calculation in the book was given wrong, so I have done it for you. In addition to the numerical discussed in this video, there will be no additional assignment given to you. So please solve these numericals in your note copy. Thank you for today.